Hey guys, so now I want to show you how to group elements together, but also how to use text wrap. So if you ever wanted a graphic element plus something like a photo or a graphic element and text to kind of be grouped in a sense so that if you were to move, if I want to move this box, but I actually wanted to move this photo down, down too, you could do one of two things. You could click on the graphic element, you could click on the photo, hit shift so that you can click on both of them, and then move them around and everything. But sometimes, especially when you have a ton of different elements on your page, that can be really hard to do. So something a little more simpler for you to do if you wanted to do that is to group elements. So if I wanted to click on an element, I'm going to shift and click on my second element. I'm going to right click and hit group. The keyboard shortcut for this is also just Command G. And I'm going to click group. Now these two elements are grouped together. So wherever I drag them to on my spread, they're going to move together as a unit, okay? So that is a little bit on how to group elements. Pretty simple. The next thing I wanted to show you is how to add captions and text in here. So both of these elements, this box right here and this photo, have text wrap on it, right? The text wrap allows for this group to have text go around it, right? So that text is not underneath the photo. If we were to have a real story in here, the story is flowing correctly in this space. But what we notice is every single photo has to have some type of caption and photo credit to it. A caption is going to describe the who and the what is in the image. The photo credit just gives courtesy to the photographer or wherever you found the photo. For example, this photo's caption, I just wrote it, "Cute doggo visits Austin FC Stadium as the new mascot for the Austin Trees." And that should be trees, not tress. There we go. And then our photo courtesy is going to be of Austin Pets Alive. I don't exactly know who the photographer is, but when I click on the photo and then I click, where the actual link to the photo goes, it's Austin Pets Alive. So I'm going to give photo courtesy to them. So this would be my caption and photo credit. And when you guys start designing things like feature story spreads, other parts in your magazine, you're going to need captions and photo credits. So a lot of people like to put either captions like right next to the photo. You can see that's what I did right here with this photo. I just put the caption next to the photo, but I made it stand out by having some graphic element behind it. And that's what you're going to want to do, or else your photo credit tends to blend in with your body copy. Or you could also do another thing. You could put your caption on top of your photo. So I'm just using this yellow box as a place where my caption's going to go. You see, I'm going to drag this box right here. But what you'll notice is that, oh no, the caption's gone. And why is that? Well, we have text wrap on everything. So what is the best way to get rid of text wrap just for this specific caption? Great question. So what you'll do is when you have the box selected that you don't want text wrap to affect, you're going to go to Object, Text Frame Options, and go ahead and click on Ignore Text Wrap, okay? And then from there, you can just drag it to wherever you would like it to go. I'm going to put it right in this little area. And let me right-click, Arrange, bring it to the front. And there we go. It is right there. So if I were to click on the preview mode, you're going to see my caption for this photo, caption for this photo as well. And that is how you can work with grouping, kind of work around text wrap, but also get captions onto photos.